Alright guys, we're at the DFS stand. Just met up with Beast and Red, Fox, Pyro, and Gary the Snail. Just checking to see if they have real Beastlol. And I was told there's a lot of DFS stuff, so you can see at the top there, like the sale, $16.99 now. Freedom Party, that's a new Freedom line. Skybox, $64.99. Grand Illusion, $41.99. Bug Zapper, $20,000. $49. Rain Shower, that seems from Freedom. Of course, the Bazaar there, you know, from Freedom. Starfire Fountain, Sup. Radiant, Taco Tuesday. Oh, that's a big one. Tantrum for $37.99. And we'll look down here too. Whee! Alright, so there's some DFS stuff, which is cool. But there's also, I see crickets. There's a lot of the new Freedom stuff too. Packing Purple. Black Cat, very nice fountain. Titanic, just rewrap, $36. Wicked Wizard. Pyrotastic, $50. Dude, would you pay $35 for a Titanic?
No, I would not.
Neither would I.
It's got about 6 tubes in it.
Yeah, and they're each 2 inches. I do love the conversation. I know we've all been fault for this. I got you on video now.
You're fine. It's where I excel.
Is for the weight. We like pick up a fountain and go,
Yeah.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah.
Not knowing there's a bag of sand.
Yeah, or a brick.
Yeah. I would like to fly.
Yeah, she was wondering.
Oh, I thought we were asking if we wanted to fly. I like to fly.
Be nice.
Where's Far Out? Do we have any Far Out fountains? I'm deeply disappointed. What's that one there? Is that my... That's a present. No, what's that hat right
It's an
there?
Easter basket.
It's free.
Where?
It's a freebie.
No. I think they were doing it.
Easter basket.
Big dog. Dude, I think those are...
I think Tantrum's a rewrap of one of the old DFS things.
I think Taco Tuesday is a rewrap of Taco Tuesday.
Yeah.
You think it's Wild Turkey or something?
Looks just like it.
Joker. But I think those Freedom, those are all what rewraps of Arizona things, I think. I don't know. Seattle
I was
Lights.
talking to the.
Dude, I bought one of those one time.
You know that.
Not from here.
That even TNT stands don't have jumbo purple ring, only DFS.
Really?
TNT Superstar has none.
What were they selling them for before? Is the pricing pretty good?
It's cheaper here, but I believe they were BOGO, so it kind of made up for the difference. So. Kind of want to buy a Radiant for the tube count.
I think crickets are a good buy. For $2.29?
Yeah,
It's not bad, right? I think I want some stuff that
Is
just
it
say
BOGO?
Freedom on it. No. For crickets, $2?
Because I bought some in Tennessee. It was about $2.50.
That's nice. Aren't you doing a live stream? Oh, that's nice.
I was going to.
You should.
Okay.
You should do that.
I would let you get your video in first.
Oh, there you go. It's a hats. That's what it is. It's their own little. What's in the hat? Hang on. This is an exclusive deal. Hats. Is that something that someone just came up with? That's pretty cool. The hat.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Someone made it or they came like that.
No, they.
Someone
they
put it
brought
together?
Like that.
Oh, they brought it in
Made
like
for
that.
little kids, you know. so
Oh,
they
that's
have
nice.
little
I'm a little
stuff.
kid. Is there any way of telling what's in it? Can I look at one? I'm taking a video, but not of you guys, okay? Let me just see. Oh, that's cool. So it's got the 1, 2, 3, go. It's got the cuckoo. I call it cuckoo. Killer Bee.
Morning glory.
Some Morning Glories. Magic Whip. Smoke Balls. A couple other little fountains in there. Thank you. And you get a hat.
Yep.
That is a bonus. All right, I'm still looking here.
That's the sign of it. I'm surprised I still have my
All right, everyone is out here. RedDevil, Pyro, stalking them right
I'd be
here.
going.
You're on my channel, bud. No, what's up? You're all quiet and quiet now. Are we going to go the other one?
Up to you.
I mean,
If I were to lose my 3.
I kind of get. I wanted that one thing far out,
I know.
so I don't see it. I don't know if the other one has it. AJ,
Yeah.
do they have far out at the other one?
I'm not sure. We haven't been there. It's like 8 minutes away from here.
Okay.
You guys wanna go there?
Because that's the only thing that's on my list. I mean, I'll buy a couple things, but the only thing for my show, unless I change
Yeah.
it.
Great.
It's no good. But that's okay. I would just find $100 and stuff to buy here, I guess. Huh?
And then my card don't work after.
Well, if we're moving, then
All right, I'm done. All right, you guys. Thanks for checking it out. Hope you check out the live post. Actually, you're going to get that before you see this.